Hello, 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 Sadiq. Can you hear me? Okay, okay. So I think my cutover phase is running fine. See, cutover phase ended. The time is this much. Okay. Now let me. Oh, it says that adopt exiting with status equals to fail. Okay. So let me cross verify what is the reason why it got failed. So before that, let me check the status. Okay. See, it says that status got failed. See this one. Adopt exiting with status equals to 1, it got failed. Okay, so let me cross check why it got failed. So first let me check the status. That's what happens. See, it says that it got failed. Okay, now what I will do, I will open the log file and I'll cross verify what is the reason why it got failed. Open this file and let me check fail. See here, it says that error occurred while executing this script. Okay, cutover phase completed with error warning. Please check the log file. Okay, go up. Okay, open this log file as well and cross verify. Yeah, it's the same log file. Okay, so we are not getting the proper information why it got failed. So it says that cutover phase completed with error warning. Please check the log file. Mhm. Let me check the status. It says that it got completed. Cutover got failed. Okay, open this log file. Okay, let me try one more time. Clear the screen. Adopt phase equals to cutover. Password of apps. Manager. Welcome one. Please wait. Okay. So enter the run file system. So admin server is down. Continuing with the waiting. Okay, fine. Patch file system is fs2 still. Okay, see, it says that prepare phase status, yes, it has done. Apply phase status, yes, it has done. Cutover phase status R, it means it's running. And abort phase status, no, we haven't applied abort phase. And say here is the information. F denotes that phase has not completed. X denotes that phase is not applicable, and R denotes that phase is running. And E denotes that phase has been failed. Okay, this is the log file. Take this one. Okay, cutover phase. Okay, waiting for ICM to go down. Okay, let me open the video. I have one more video, so let me open and cross check. Okay, so go to my computer, go to here, and bash recording, adopt. Okay, so continue with this video. So once the cutover has been done, my file system will be changed. So fs1 was my run base and fs2 was my patch base. So after cutover, fs1 will be my patch and fs2 will be my run base. So once the cutover has been done, we need to modify the bash profile. So now fs2 is my run base, so I'll mention here fs1. Sorry, fs2. So when I will say patch base, it should display fs1. Yeah. So it should display FS1, sorry, FS2. So let me write it one more time. So before patching, FS1 was your run base, and FS2 was my patch base, patch base. After patching, when we did cutover, now FS1 will be patch base and FS2 will be run base. Okay, same thing here. When I'm saying echo run base, it's showing FS2. See here, after patching, FS2 will be run base, and patch base would be FS1. So after patching, what I can do, I can log into sysadmin and cross verify. So cross verify the process. So I'm trying to open some form. So if it is working fine, it means my patching got successfully completed and everything is fine. See. So here the status would be prepare completed, apply completed, cutover completed. Now we need to perform the cleanup. So cleanup is not required now. You can do it later. So here what I did, adopt phase equals to cleanup. So we need to pass apps password, system password, and WebLogic password. Now the important thing is that it says that enter the run file system. So it should be FS2. And now when it will ask patch, it should be FS1. See, patch file system would be FS1. See, cleanup, cleanup is running. So depend upon this status. Say in the prepare phase, it took almost 23 seconds, so 23 minutes, and apply took almost 47, and cleanup cutover took almost 30 minutes. So depend upon this time, we can analyze this how much time it will take for my production. So most important thing is here how much time it took in cutover phase. So in cutover it took almost 30 minutes. So when I will apply same patch in production, what we can do, we can say to my customer we required almost 45 minutes to 50 minutes for cutover. So there will be a downtime for 50 minutes. So it got completed. See, cleanup got completed, and how much time it took? It took almost 6 minutes and 54 seconds. So likewise, we can apply the patch in my 12.2. So we have observed one thing. Uh, when we prepare when we use prepare phase, we did not require downtime. Whenever we do apply phase, we did not require downtime. Actual downtime we required in case of cutover. So in cutover, what will happen? Whatever the changes we have done in both the file system, that will sync. It will shut down your all the services and it will start your services. So after cutover, we have to set the environment variable for my run file system. So it should be run file system is now FS2. So regarding this issue, what I will do, I will cross verify the log file and I will check, okay, why this got failed. Okay, so maybe tomorrow when you will back, so I'll give the solution. What was the reason for failure? Why? Because for troubleshooting, it may take a lot of time. So I already have a good recording. This recording I'll share to everyone. So anyway, let me check the log file. Why it got failed? I mean, first time we have seen it got failed. So error occurred while executing this script. Okay, context file, this one, session ID, this one, timestamp, this one. So cutover phase completed with error and warning. Please check the log file. Okay. Anyway, I'll cross verify the reason for failure, and if possible, I'll explain by tomorrow what was the reason. So this is all about how to apply the patch in your Adobe. So it says that AD online patching, and patching will be online, but when I will perform the cutover, there will be a downtime. So Sadiq, any question? Any question? So this recording I'll share. Okay. I mean, it's a very straightforward recording, and the method is very straightforward. I got some issue, maybe patch incompatibility or some other issue was there, so I'll cross verify using the log file, and maybe by tomorrow I'll explain what was the reason for failure. Okay, so if we don't have any question, we will wind up the session, and tomorrow when we will back at 6:30 or maybe 6:45, so we will talk about other. No, Anil is not there. I sent a message to him, but he haven't read the message. Might be he's busy somewhere. So anyway, so see you tomorrow. And whatever the recording we have done for today and for yesterday, I'll share to everyone. Okay. So thanks a lot. See you tomorrow at 6:30. Okay. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.